Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I do a chemical peel from the convenience of my own home, kind of like a DIY chemical peel. And I found this brand that offers a wide variety of different peels. So I'm going to be showing you guys a glycolic peel today. I'm going to give you guys some background information as well as do a demo for you. And let's be honest, if you were to go to a med spa and get a chemical peel, glycolic peel, whatever, and they will recommend that you need more than one, you're just going to be shelling out hundreds of dollars. This is super affordable, so that's why it's exciting as well. You can get great med spa results from the convenience of your own home. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to find out more about this at-home glycolic peel, then just keep watching. The brand for this glycolic peel is Perfect Image, and if you go on their website, they have a wide variety of different peels with different percentages for, different skin concerns, as well as other anti-aging and skincare products. So they definitely have a lot of great products, and it's affordable, you guys. And they are catering to us who don't want to go to your dermatologist, your doctor, a med spa, and shell out hundreds of dollars. A great example is about a year ago, I went to my med spa and I asked the girl about how to combat these fine lines that it seems like nothing else seems to get rid of. And she's also told me before, you just have really loose skin underneath your eyes. So I've tried products before that have claimed to firm up the skin underneath your eyes, get rid of the wrinkles, and I just feel like for me, I haven't really seen the results. So she had recommended to me, well, you should try a glycolic peel. You would probably need to do 2 to 3. And I was like, okay. And I go, well, how much is that? And she goes, it's $125 for each peel. I'm like, okay, so yeah. And I could even need more than 2 to 3. So this is hundreds of dollars you're shelling out. Not everybody, including me, want to pay that. That's what's great about this. This one retails for $34.95. I believe, and all their other peels range from $25 to about $35. And for like one treatment, I think I use like 1 to 2 milliliters. So there's, I think, 30 milliliters in this. So you could get like 15 or more, even up to 30, depending on how much you use each treatment. That's how many treatments you could get out of one bottle. That could last you a really long time, as opposed to paying over $100 for just one treatment at your, dermatologist's office or med spa. So that is great. I just wanted to mention that because that is definitely a cost savings. So now I just want to get into a little bit more information about the glycolic peel that I got. So I have to go back to the box to get the information. But the glycolic peel that I got is 50%, and they have strengths ranging from 10% all the way up to 70%. Now the 50% is the highest percentage that you can get as you purchase it individually. They have a 70%, but that is for professional use. So when I was looking at it, I'm like, you know what, let's just go for the 50%. Obviously, it's a lot stronger than the other ones, so you have to be super careful, which I was the first time. I didn't have any bad reactions or anything. So I just want to read about this. It says, a professionally formulated peel designed to help reduce the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines, uneven skin texture, and other signs of aging. It penetrates the epidermal layers of the skin, removes dead skin cells, and minimizes the appearance of pores. So that all sounds great to me. I don't know about you, but I definitely need some of that. And then it also says retinol, which is vitamin A, has been shown to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and help remove dead skin cells for a more rejuvenated look. It also says that it has green tea and chamomile extracts to provide synergistic antioxidant benefits to the skin. Cucumber extract, a natural antioxidant rich in vitamins, minerals, and enzymes, helps provide added skin brightening and skin tightening properties. So that is just a little bit information about this. This is also not tested on animals, so in 2019, it has to be like that, you guys. It just has to be. So it doesn't say it on the box, but it says it on their website, and this is important because I wanted to mention this. It says that everyone's skin type and sensitivity is unique, and each person will have a different experience with the peel. Results will vary per person. Some may see visible peeling and others may not, even though the peel is still shedding dead skin cells where there is no visible peeling present. So I wanted to mention that because now I'm going to get into my initial experience before I actually show you guys how I do it, and this will be my second one. So when I first did it, it was a couple weeks ago. I was a little bit nervous because obviously this is the 50% strength, and I read through all the instructions very thoroughly, and I had no issues, you guys. I mean, you can definitely feel it when it's on your skin, and I will be describing all that when I do it on camera for you guys. You can definitely feel it, but as long as you follow the instructions, everything is okay. And the crazy part, you guys, is I had no peeling. I thought for sure I can definitely feel this. Oh my goodness, what's it gonna look like when it peels? But I had no peeling whatsoever. So I wanted to, that's why I read that to you guys, because even if you experience no peeling, it doesn't mean that it's not working. So I'll be interested to see this next time, which we are about to do, if I do have peeling. After the peel, I made sure, and I mean, I do this every day when I'm going outside, but it says to definitely make sure that you wear SPF 30 or more on your face. And that is because when you do these peels, your skin becomes way more sensitive and susceptible to burn. So I figured I'd mention that. You want to have sunscreen on, especially after those first couple days afterwards when you're out in the sun, and even wear a hat just to kind of avoid any kind of sun on your face. But if you're not wearing a hat, just make sure you have the sunscreen on. That's it, you guys. Again, I didn't peel. I didn't have any red spots, and the way it felt, that's why I was nervous, because I was like, oh my gosh, am I gonna have like, red spots? Because it does feel like it's burning, it's supposed to, but it didn't at all. So I was really excited about that. So it's been 2 weeks, and depending on what percentage you have, it'll tell you how long to wait until your next one. So I can do my second one now, and then as time goes on, that's when you really start to see the results. Lastly, before I get into actually doing my second treatment, I just want to mention that they have really good customer service, because I actually did have a couple of questions and they get back to you right away. So if you have any question about doing this, which you're probably going to, because this is, it's a chemical peel, it's pretty serious, you're applying chemicals to your skin. If you have any questions at all, just email their customer service and they will get back to you. Okay, you guys, so I am gonna remove all my makeup, and I don't know if I'm gonna film in here or in my bathroom, but it's definitely gonna be on my vlog camera, not this camera right here. So I will see you guys in a little bit. So hopefully you can see me okay. I decided that it would be easier to film in my bathroom as opposed to my beauty room, because I have the sink right here. I know the lighting isn't the best in here, so we'll just have to make do with it. So these are what the instructions look like, very detailed front and back. So I would suggest reading through these. If you do, go ahead and purchase the chemical or the glycolic peel, whatever peel, because there's very detailed instructions, more detailed than just reading it off the box. So before you actually apply the peel, you want to make sure that your skin is clean. There's no, makeup, dirt, impurities, whatever. And they suggest that you, even a couple of days before, but I mean, I do this every day. It says use an exfoliating or prep cleanser 1 to 2 times per day for 3 to 5 days before the peel. So, I cleanse or exfoliate once a day. So that's what I've been doing. Now, in terms of before the peel, which I just did, I just went ahead in with a cleanser. Now you can use any cleanser. I'm using their cleanser that's meant to be used in conjunction with the peel. This is the Perfect Image Salicylic Deep Gel Cleanser. So I just got done using this and made sure that my skin is dry. Now I did use a makeup wipe, but doing the cleanser is also an important step, because it's just going to further get rid of any, impurities and whatnot. The only thing I didn't remove is my brows, because I didn't want to remove those yet, but I'm not applying this to my brows. I'm just going to use this little cotton pad to apply the peel, and then also you're going to want to have a timer with you. I'm going to be using my phone timer. Now it says that you can apply, evenly distribute the peel across your face for a minute, and then if it doesn't feel too bad and you can tolerate it, then it's called like layering. That's what they refer to it in the instructions. You can add an additional layer on top of the one that you just did for another 1 to 2 minutes. So when I did this a few weeks ago, what I did was I left the peel on my skin for like 45 seconds, and then I applied a second layer for like 30, 45 seconds. I just did a little bit less time. But even if it's your first time, you could just do the one time and then do the layering like the second treatment that you do. So it's completely optional. I'm gonna quickly try to apply all this evenly. And I'm gonna start the timer now. Just kind of evenly distribute this around my face. And I feel like after a while, you kind of like get used to the way it feels, like after the first minute. I've got the timer on. We are doing the countdown for the second minute. So there's a little more than 20 seconds left. Now it says what you're gonna wanna do is kind of just flush your face. So the sink is right here, and that is what I'm going to do. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I'm going to rinse my face off with cold water. Obviously, you're not going to see me doing this, but it just recommends to do it immediately and kind of flush your face. So that's what I'm doing. So I just got done washing my face, and I will say that once you do remove and flush and wash your face and rid it of the chemical peel, you will still feel your skin staining, but it dissipates really quickly. Like it's starting to go away where I don't even feel a staining anymore. So I just wanted to mention that because as I was flushing my face and taking this to wipe it off, I still felt like my face was staining, but it's slowly going away. So I'm not even really that red, you guys, and it's crazy because I have used just like regular eye creams and lotions that have burned my skin, and I've been left with like, it gets so red. This felt way worse, and I'm not even that red. So that's what I was trying to tell you guys. It feels worse than it really is. So now it says post-peel directions. It is necessary to replenish your skin of nutrients, antioxidants, and vitamins immediately after a peel. The peel strips away many dead and dull skin cells on the surface by creating a controlled damage to the skin, and in the process leaves it sensitive, irritated, and dehydrated. I actually have their Hydra Repair Wrinkle Cream that is meant to apply to your skin after the peel. But if you don't have this particular cream, then any kind of moisturizer that has like antioxidants and vitamins in it, I would use. That way it's just gonna add that back into your skin. I'm gonna apply this everywhere now, and it kind of gives like a cooling effect. And it says to use this, apply it 1 to 2 times a day for I think like the next 3 to 5 days, just to add that, the vitamins and nutrients back into your skin. I'll be curious to see if I actually peel this time, and I'm really excited to see the results from this. Now, as I was mentioning, for this one, since it's the 50%, it says that I can do it every 2 to 3 weeks. But if I had a lower percentage, I could apply it every 1 to 3 weeks, or some of them you can apply daily. So I will wait another 2 weeks and I will do another treatment. I'm excited to see the results. Again, you can do this from your home, which is nice. I don't have to go to a med spa, shell out like hundreds of dollars. So I'm excited to see the results of this. And again, like the way it felt on my skin, it's definitely working, because it was staining, but it was tolerable. It wasn't like, oh my God, it's so painful, I wanna cry. It wasn't like that. I did it on camera for you guys, but you definitely feel it. If you guys are interested in this glycolic peel, I will have a link down below. And they also sell, I believe they sell this on Amazon. So if I can find that link, I will link it down below as well. But let me know in the comments, have you guys ever gotten a chemical peel, glycolic peel at a med spa professionally? How much did you pay? What were your results? Have you ever tried any kind of at-home chemical peel? I mean, I haven't seen anything like this, but have you ever tried any? Are you thinking about trying this one in particular? I'd be curious to find out. But anyways, that is it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.